Knowledge economy refers to an economic system where growth is primarily driven by the production, distribution, and use of knowledge and information. In this economy, human intelligence, innovation, education, and technology become the key factors of productivity rather than traditional resources like land, labor, and capital. Knowledge economy features. The knowledge economy has several distinctive characteristics that differentiate it from traditional economies. Human capital as core asset. Skilled and educated individuals are the backbone of economic growth. Talent and expertise are more valuable than physical resources. Role of technology. Information and communication technology (ICT), artificial intelligence, and digital tools play a crucial role in production and services. Innovation driven growth. Continuous innovation, research and development are essential for competitiveness and sustainability. Information based activities. Economic activities focus on data processing, knowledge sharing, and information services. Global connectivity. Digital platforms enable businesses to operate globally, reducing geographical barriers. Intellectual property importance. Patents, copyrights, and trademarks become valuable economic assets. Service oriented economy. Growth shifts from manufacturing to service like IT, finance, education, and consulting. Components of knowledge economy. The components of a knowledge economy are the essential pillars that support innovation, productivity, and sustainable growth. These components ensure that knowledge is created, shared, and effectively used in economic activities. Education and human capital development focuses on building a skilled, knowledgeable, and adaptive workforce, emphasizes quality education, vocational training, and higher education, encourages critical thinking, creativity, and problem solving skills, promotes lifelong learning to keep pace with technological changes, develops expertise in emerging fields like AI, data science, and digital technologies. Innovation and research system includes universities, research institute, and innovation hubs, promotes investment in research and development, encourages collaboration between industry, academia, and government, support startups, incubation centers, and new technologies, helps in the creation of patents, invention, and new business models. Information and communication technology infrastructure provides high-speed internet, digital networks, and communication systems, enable easy access to information and global connectivity, supports digital platforms, e-commerce, and online services, facilitates remote work, digital learning, and cloud computing, strengthens data storage, processing, and cybersecurity system, economic and institutional regime, refers to government policies, laws, and regulations supporting growth, ensure ease of doing business and promotes entrepreneurship, protects intellectual property rights like patents and copyrights, encourages foreign investment and global trade, maintains transparency, stability, and efficient governance systems, innovation culture and entrepreneurship, promotes risk-taking, creativity, and new ideas, encourages startup ecosystem and business incubation, supports funding opportunities like venture capital and angel investment, motivates individuals to convert ideas into marketable products, builds a competitive and dynamic economic environment, knowledge dissemination and access to information, ensures free flow of information across sectors and regions, encourages open access to research, data, and learning resources, promotes digital literacy among citizens, reduce information symmetry in markets, help in faster decision making and innovation diffusion. Government schemes supporting knowledge economy. The Government of India has launched several schemes and programs to promote a knowledge-based economy by focusing on digital infrastructure, skill development, innovation, and entrepreneurship. These initiatives aim to transform India into a globally competitive, technology-driven nation. Digital India program, launched in 2015, aiming to transform India into a digitally empowered society. Over 850 plus million internet users in India, boosting digital participation. BharatNet project targets 6 lakh plus villages with broadband connectivity. Platforms like DigiLocker and e-governance improve transparency and service delivery. Skill India Mission, launched in 2015 to train over 40 crore people by 2022. Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana has trained 1.4 plus crore candidates in various skills. Focus on industry relevant skills like AI, robotics, and data analytics. Helps reduce unemployment and enhances workforce productivity. Startup India Initiative, launched in 2016 to promote innovation and startups. India has 1 lakh plus DPIIT recognized startups 2025 approximate. India is the third largest startup ecosystem globally. Fund of funds with rupee 10,000 crore corpus supports startups. National Education Policy NEP 2020 aims to increase gross enrollment ratio to 50% by 2035, promotes digital platforms like Diksha and Swayam, focus on multidisciplinary and skill-based education, encourages research through the National Research Foundation, Atal Innovation Mission, over 10,000 plus Atal Tinkering Labs establishing in schools, supports Atal Incubation Centers for Startups, encourages innovation among students and entrepreneurs, promotes problem solving and design thinking skills. Make in India, launched in 2014 to boost manufacturing and innovation. Focus sectors include electronics, automobiles, defense, and IT. Increase FDI inflows to $80+ billion annually. Encourages technology-driven production and job creation. National Digital Literacy Mission aims to make 6 crore rural households digitally literate. Focus on basic computer and internet skills, helps citizens access online government services, reduce digital divide between rural and urban areas. India's stack digital infrastructure includes Aadhaar over 1.3 billion enrollments, UPI handles 10+ billion transactions per month, enables paperless and cashless economy, supports fintech innovation and financial inclusion. Software Technology Parks of India, established in 1991 to promote IT exports, IT or ITES export crossed $200+ billion, provides incubation and infrastructure for startups, strengthen India's global IT leadership. India Semiconductor Mission, launched in 2021 with an outlay of Rs 76,000 crore, aims to develop a complete semiconductor ecosystem in India, supports cheap manufacturing, design and display fabrication units, reduces dependence on imports and boosts high-tech manufacturing. Knowledge economy challenges. The knowledge economy, while offering innovation and growth, also faces several structural and technological challenges. These challenges can slow down inclusive development and limit the full potential of knowledge-driven growth. Digital divide. Unequal access to internet, digital devices and technology creates a gap between urban and rural populations, limiting participation in the knowledge economy. Skill gap. There is a mismatch between the skills possessed by the workforce and the skills demanded by modern industries, especially in advanced technologies. Unemployment and job displacement. Automation and artificial intelligence are replacing routine jobs, leading to job losses among low-skilled workers. High cost of education and training. Quality education and skill development require significant investment, making it difficult for economically weaker sections to access opportunities. Data security and privacy concerns. Increasing reliance on digital platforms exposes individuals and organizations to cyber attacks, data breaches, and misuse of personal information. Brain drain. Skilled professionals often migrate to developed countries for better opportunities, leading to loss of talent in developing nations. Rapid technological changes. Constant advancement in technology require continuous upskilling, making it challenging for individuals and businesses to keep pace. Weak research and development. Many countries lack sufficient investment in research and innovation, while slows down technological progress. Intellectual property issues. Weak protection of patents and copyrights discourages innovation and leads to misuse of ideas and knowledge. Economic inequality. Benefits of the knowledge economy are often concentrated among highly skilled individuals, increasing income inequality.